Hello guys, thanks for tuning in for our chapter 1 quiz here. Follow along. I hope you're listening. And I'll take you through this little quiz here. So here we go. Number 1. What is a variable? You just write your answer in words, okay? A variable is going to be something that looks like this. That's a variable. So up here in number 1, you write in words, what is a variable? Okay, number 2, little fill in the blank. Okay. An algebraic expression. An expression contains a number, a variable, and an operation, but does not include a what sign. There's a certain sign that's not in an expression. Okay. What is that sign? Now, if you're listening to this, we are going to skip numbers 3 through 6 because I would let you use a calculator. Mr. McCourt wanted to see if you could do it without. I don't really care, so we're just going to skip these 4. I trust that you could use a calculator, or actually 6, these 2 as well. Okay, and we're going to move on to 9, 10, 11. Okay, now here we're to evaluate or solve the expression. Okay, and you're going to plug in a 2 where you see the 4, so it's going to look, I'll do the first one here. My pen is giving me trouble here. I'm tapping and nothing's happening. Okay, here a little technical difficulty, but it's going to be, instead of 4 times n, be 4 times 2 minus 7. Alright? And if you want to use your calculator, that's fine, but you put it in just like this. Every time we substitute a number for a letter, I want you to use parentheses. I know we've talked about that in class. Number 10 is p to the 2nd power plus 1. So plugging 5 in for p. This one is 60 over d, or divided by d. So I'm going to rewrite that 60 over d. Okay, and you're going to substitute the 6 in for the d right there. All right, let's flip it over here to the back. Order of operations. Okay, these problems all have to do with order of operations. Okay, and except this one, you're going to plug in the 3 for that b right there. All right, and that little dot on 14 means times or multiply. So please remember your PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, if you want to jot this down on your paper, that would be fine. Okay, I'll give you a second to do that. All right. Okay. Next section says circle the hot words and put the operation above. Then write the expression. So the difference of 9 and a number n. So who would the hot word be here? Circle it. Okay, and then put what operation. By operation, we mean, is it addition, subtraction, multiply, or divide? Okay, you write it right above those words, and then write the expression. So try to write it out in using your numbers and letters now. Okay, moving on to 16. 17 less than twice a number x. Remember what twice a number meant. Okay, 17 less than twice a number x. Circle the hot word and then write the expression. In number 17, the sum of 57 and a number b squared. Okay, squared. The sum of 57 and a number b squared. So again, circle the hot words and then rewrite the expression. And make sure you use what operation above the hot word. Okay, one more and then a bonus. It says make sure you reduce so that you have 1 on the bottom. Hint, hint. All right. You have 600 yards in 8 minutes. Okay, so we just simply need to reduce this. If you were to put this in your calculator as a fraction using the ABC button and hit enter, it should reduce it for you. All right. And a bonus question. You got to show all the steps, okay? But solve this problem. Give it a shot. Don't just turn in your paper. Okay, I hope the video helped you. Have a great rest of your day and God bless.